Yeah, hello, yeah. So I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Crypto Arbitrage Lord. Yeah. So today I want to do arbitrage and show you how you can easily make $150 every day. $150 every day. So I'll be doing this and I'll be going into details. For this one, I'll be going into details. So you have to pay critical attention for this. Yeah, and if you want to learn more about arbitrage too, I'm available for mentorship. I will mentor you for 1 year and I'll train you for 1 week. Yeah, sorry. I mean, sorry. Yeah, so we'll be using NFT. So today I will do all the calculations for you and tell you the profits that you'll be taking home. Yeah, so we'll be using NFT today. So NFT over here is 0.004366, and on Bitfinex NFT over here, let me go back and let me load it so that to refresh for you. NFT over here too is NFT. Let me search for NFT on spots. Yeah, on the spots. So over here too is 4347, and here is 4366, and here is what 4347. So it means that I'll buy it from here and I'll sell it over here. So if you see chance like this, for you to get much profit, you need huge money. That's why I'm always saying that there are some coins that you see the opportunity, but you need huge money to make it happen. And when you get huge money, you can do as many as you want. So in this case, you'll be doing it 100 times. You'll be doing 100 times in order for us to get the $150. Because if I come here, you can see that it's 0.004347. So I'm buying $1,000. I'm using $1,000 to do it. So $1,000, I'll be getting this quantity over here. Yeah. So before you have to do your calculation first. So I'll go here and sell. So I'm selling the 2300 437 437 083 083. So it means that okay, it has depreciated. Yeah. So it means that I'll be getting profits of what 1.38 on the $1,000. I'll be getting profits of what 1.38. Yeah. But before you do this thing, first of all, let's go and check whether they have the same withdrawal address so that we don't end up making any mistake. So NFT over here, it uses TRC20 address and the fee is 0.11. Yeah, and initially our profit was 1.3 something. So if we did that 0.1 from it will remain 1.2. That's our profit per trade is 1.2. Yeah, so let me come here and also go to here assets, and let me also try and withdraw it from here and see the kind of address that I'll be needing here. So let me search for the coin. That's NFT. So the coin here is also what TRC20, and it means that it's the same. Yeah. So imagine, like, if I'm doing the trade right now, I'll be getting 1.38, and I'll deduct the 0.1 from it, so to remain 1.28. So 1.28 times 100 times is $128. And one thing about arbitrage is that, like, you can do, as if you have the vim, you can start from morning to evening. You can even do 1,000 times. So imagine you doing 1,000 times. That's like impossible. But let's say if you're doing 1,000 times, Because like if you mean business, you mean business. If you're doing 1,000 times, you're making $1,280 on a trade, on a day trade. So let's say the whole day you do 1,000 trade, Charlie, it's difficult. But like let's do it. Let's do it. So I'll be doing this thing with PayPal, and I will be hosting apartment trading bootcamp with PayPal. So if you want us all to meet to trade together, I have a link in the description. Just chat me and book your spots and be part of traders, and let's all trade together in order for us to get them and make more money for ourselves. Yeah. So imagine if you are able to trade 1,000 times with NFT, you'll be making $1,280 every day. $1,280 every day. We have many coins, and many coins too comes with huge profits. But the reason why I'm using NFT is that NFT have little amounts, and some people were saying that they use $100 to trade and they didn't get any profit, huge profit. When you see opportunity on coins like this, and you see that the profit margin is very small, invest more. Invest more. So imagine investing $1,000, we got 1.28 dollars. And if you repeat this 100 times, so let's say if you repeat it 50 times, let's say 50 times, let's say 1.28 times 50 times is $64. $64 per day. It's not a joke. This is 64 times 32 days. 32 days. So it means that a month you'll be making 2,048. So if you're in Ghana, 2,048 times right now is 12.457. So in Ghana, if you're making 2,048 right now, a month right now is 25,743. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. I'm saying it's not a joke. It's that thing. It's not a joke. Yeah. So you will see the profit to be very small, very small, very small. But when you put in the much work, you'll see that it's worth it. It's that thing. It's that it's worth it. And that's how we do arbitrage. Yeah. So I have a boot camp coming up. That one you meet me one-on-one. You meet me and all my crypto boys one-on-one. You'll be in the same apartment. You'll be chilling. You'll be having fun, and you'll be trading futures and crypto arbitrage as well. You're making more money and have fun as well. So just click on the number in the description or in the bio. Just chat the PA or chat me. I will put you in the group. Then we have more fun, and the registration is just 300 cedis for the location and the food. Yeah, everything is free.